Welcome to WeeSing's official YouTube channel.
I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Don't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Don't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn.
Hey, what's going on here?
What's with the walking hospital?
Tusky's really trying to change, to be cautious.
Well, maybe we can help.
Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn?
Tusky's covered with no-names. What happened?
Is that young fella trying another dangerous stunt?
Oh no, he's being very careful this time. Safety first.
Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming on the old banjo.
What's happening here? Looks like Tusky's learning about cooperation and safety.
Oh, Prince, look at Tusky.
My dear princess, he looks like a changed elephant.
And singing fee-fi.